Students, this is the solutions for the test conducted on 30th November. This is mainly based on the GOC, General Organic Chemistry, the basic concepts of the General Organic Chemistry. See, the first question is, see, it is related to the hyperconjugation. See, true regarding the electronic displacement effect. The question, it is not mentioned as a hyperconjugation, but in the statements it is mentioned only hyperconjugation effect is stronger than inductive effect. Yes, resonance, hyperconjugation, inductive effect. You know, hyperconjugation effect is weaker than resonance. Yes, it is weaker than resonance, but stronger than inductive effect. The second statement also correct. And third one, hyperconjugation is a permanent effect. The three, resonance, hyperconjugation and inductive effect, three are permanent effect. Only the electromeric effect is a temporary effect. This is correct, permanent effect, which operates through the sigma bond. Hyperconjugation effect facilitates the electrophilic attack on double bond of the alkene. Yes, in alkenes hyperconjugation is possible, and this is the CH sigma electrons flows into the pi center, therefore electron density increases. The electrophile is the electron seeking species. The electrophilic effect is attack is facilitated if the electron density is increased. So due to hyperconjugation, electron density increases, therefore that is the reactivity increases. Electrophilic attack at the double bond of the alkene facilitates this. This is also correct. So all four, that is A is correct option for this question. So next one is the some resonance structures are given. So for the para-nitrophenoxide ion, that is the conjugate base of the para-nitrophenol. So he is asking the which is the most stable resonance structure of the given species. Which is more stable? You see, the negative positive separation. The negative charge is on the oxygen, positive charge is on the nitrogen, and side positive negative charges are side by side. So 3 is the more stable than the any other this thing. So that is C is correct. Because negative, positive, negative. The next one is the which resonance structure has the highest potential energy? Least stable. Which is least stable? Here negative charge is on the oxygen, positive charge on nitrogen, negative charge is on the carbon. So that is this is most less stable, relatively less stable. Here oxygen, oxygen, negative charge oxygen. Here you see compare the what all the effects in the 4 resonance structures. That is, this is resonance structure has highest potential energy. 1 has the potential energy. You may say that the 4 is not a resonance structure at all. It is not a resonance structure because this is valency is pentavalency around the nitrogen. Therefore 1 is the correct option. And next one is the CCl bond, and correct option you have to choose. The chloro CCl bond in chloroethene, vinyl chloride is stronger than the chloroethane. Yes, this is the vinyl chloride. You see vinyl chloride, there is a resonance possibility. Therefore, carbon chlorine single bond is converted into double bond. This is the resonance hybrid. It is stronger than the single bond. Whereas in the ethyl chloride, carbon chlorine bond is purely single bond. Therefore, this is the shorter, stronger, shorter. That is in chloroethene. So, one is correct. Carbon-carbon double bond in ethene is stronger than this one. That is methoxyethene or methyl vinyl ether. So, that is here in the second case, resonance is possible. Double bond becomes a single bond. Therefore, this is, and ethene is stronger than, same in this one. Which one? Double bond in ethene. Ethene is carbon double bond in ethene. Has no resonance at all. It is a purely double bond. Whereas the double bond convert into single bond in this due to resonance. Therefore, this statement is correct. Ethene carbon double bond is perfectly double bond, stronger. And sulfur hydrogen bond is weaker bond. The thiols are the stronger acids. It is the weaker acid. The methyl thiol is weaker acid than methyl alcohol. No, methyl thiol is stronger acid than this one. So that's a wrong statement. And ethylamine. Amine is a base, stronger base than vinylamine. In vinylamine, lone pair is involved in the resonance with double bond. Therefore, availability decreases. Here, availability increases. The fourth one is correct. That is and stronger base. This is stronger base. Therefore, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. So, the correct option is 1, 2, 4. C is correct option. See, in the which of the following pairs, first one is more stable. So, benzyl and allyl. Benzyl is more stable than allyl. You see, this is resonance. Extent of resonance is more, extent of resonance is less. And ethyl carbocation and vinyl carbocation. Ethyl is more stable. First one is more stable because hyperconjugation 3 alpha hydrogens. Here no hyperconjugation or resonance. And second one, in the third and fourth, the second one is more stable compared to the first one. Here no resonance, here resonance. In fourth case, that is only hyperconjugation. In the second one, there is a alpha effect or back bonding. Back bonding dominates, stability is more. Resonance is sort of resonance. So second one is more stable. 1, 2 are correct. That is option B is correct option. So what is correct regarding the resonance? Resonance is a intramolecular. Within the molecule it is taking place. That is intramolecular. That phenomena is called as the intramolecular phenomena. And resonance decreases potential energy of the molecule. Yes, it is the driving forces decrease of the potential energy. And resonance hybrid explains all the features of the molecule. Yes, 3 is correct. Resonance hybrid is the correct. Resonating structures are the real and resonance hybrid is imaginary. No, resonance structures are that is imaginary, resonance hybrid is real. Therefore, that is D is wrong statement. 1, 2, 3 are correct. So that is option B is correct. You know the theory about this. The next one is 33 is which of the following species is anti-aromatic? Here in first case there are 6 pi electrons plus 1 lone pair. So that is 8 electron system anti-aromatic. 4n system. This is the 4n. This is 8 is the anti-aromatic number. This is, and here you see borazole. This is the I'm sorry. Nitrogen has the lone pair. So that is this is aromatic, you know. And this is total 10 electrons. aromatic, and whereas this is aromatic. 4 pi bonds, 4 to the 8 plus 2 electrons, complete cyclic, planar, complete conjugation, 10 electron. This is aromatic system. So, and this is aromatic, this is aromatic, this is anti-aromatic. First one is, and second one you see, fourth one you see, 2 pi bonds and 2 lone pairs, the total 4, 8 electrons, anti-aromatic. 6-member ring, 8 electrons, anti-aromatic. This is 8 electron system. This is anti-aromatic. 1 and 4 are anti-aromatic. So therefore D is correct option for you. This is matching. See, in this case, see the first one is carbanion. The conjugation 1, 2, 3, 3 centers are, there is a lone pair, pi bond, pi bond. Therefore it is it has the extended resonance, stable resonance structure. Yes. Paramagnetic, no, it's a carbanion. Hyperconjugation stabilizes the this one, no hyperconjugation there. The second one is the acts as a Lewis acid. No, it is a carbanion is a Lewis, not Lewis acid, Lewis base. Only P is applicable. And second one is, you see, this is the positive charge, this one, and lone pair. Lone pair. So it has the extended conjugation, that is a resonance structure, stable resonance, correct for this. Or hyperconjugation, yes, positive charge, methyl group here, that is a hyperconjugation is possible. And the second one is the acts as a Lewis acid, positive cation is a, that is Lewis acid. Therefore it is, this is correct. P, Q are correct. Q, P, R, S are correct. The next one is the radical, that is no resonance. Therefore paramagnetic unpaired electron containing species. And next one is the hyperconjugation. Yes, hyperconjugation is possible in the radicals also. So acts as a Lewis acid, not correct. Resonance to no resonance. So that is Q, R are only correct. And in case of the last one, CH2 methylene group, that is and this is the, so no resonance, no paramagnetic nature, yes. If it is in the singlet form, it is a paramagnetic, and yes, it acts as a strong Lewis acid, 6 electrons only. There are 6 electrons here, therefore it acts as a Lewis acid, therefore this is D is correct. Here the given option D is correct. Dipole moment, which compound is not 0? See here, for this, it is polar molecule. Then only the ring becomes the aromatic. Azulene, this is also a ionic compound. So this is non-polar, this is non-polar. These two have the dipole moments. So A, B are, the 1 and 2 are correct. That is, a D is correct option for this. In this, which of following pairs, the first one is the stronger base than second? See, formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid, that you know. Formate ion is the conjugate base of this, acetate ion is the conjugate base. Stronger the acid, weaker the base. Weaker the acid, stronger the base. Acetate ion, this is correct. First one is stronger base than this one. He is asking base, not the acid. And OH minus and NH2, water and NH3. You take that our list of compounds. That is the relative acidic, decreasing order of the acidic nature. We have the list. That is, water is more acidic than ammonia. OH minus is the conjugate base, NH2 is the conjugate base. Weaker base, weaker acid, stronger base. NH2 is stronger. Second one is stronger, first one is weaker. So second is not the answer. And this is the, and now you know. So that is the acetylene is more acidic than, that is the ethyl. So acetate ion, this acetylene, acetylide ion, acetylide ion, and this is the vinyl carbanion. This is the conjugate base of weaker acid. This is strong. You see, this is correct. First one is the strong base, second one is the weak base. And next, other one is the methylamine. Amine is, primary amine is stronger base than, weaker acid than alcohol. Alcohols, that is terminal alkynes, that is ammonia, primary amine, secondary amine. Primary amine is weaker acid, its conjugate base is stronger. Therefore, this is stronger base, this is weaker base. Amine is a base. Alcohol also, by taking the protons, it acts as a base. This is better proton acceptor. This is the proton donor is this. This lone pair donor is better lone pair donor. This is lone pair donating tendency of the oxygen is less than nitrogen. This is this. So these three are correct. That is B. 1, 3, 4 are correct options. Choose the correct statements. Ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid is more acidic than meta-para. Yes. Ortho effect. Ortho-substituted benzoic acids are more, that is acidic than their corresponding, that is meta and para isomeric forms. Correct. Minus M minus R group increases the acidity of the phenol. Yes. And phenol minus electronic effects increase the at ortho and para positions. Correct. And for resonance to take place, structure should be planar. Yes. Requirement. Resonance involves change in the position of the hydrogen atom. In the resonance, position is not changed. Any atom. 1, 2, 3 is correct. C is correct option. This is among the cations which are more stabilized than this one. Benzyl carbocation, it is stabilized by the resonance only. This is aromatic. This is back bonding. This is hyperconjugation. But 3 degree, remember, hyperconjugation 3 degree plus I hyperconjugation. This is allyl. So allyl is less stable than the benzyl. This is also resonance. 3 degree has the exception. So this is more acidic, aromatic nature. The other one is the dancing resonance, back bonding, that is the resonance. So this is the hyperconjugation, other electronic effects, hyperconjugation and plus I effect. This is the order. So this is first. Next, this is back bonding resonance, more stable than the simple resonance. And this is 3 degree carbocation is more stable than the top. That is 1 degree carbocation with resonance. Therefore, these three are more stable than this one. This is less stable. 1, 2, 3 are more stable. C is correct option for this question. That is C. It is a following ions will be aromatic in nature. See, pyridine protonated. Still aromatic sextet is existing. See, that is the 6 pi electron system is existing in the system. It's a cation conjugate acid of the pyridine, but it is aromatic. It is not a aromatic species. No conjugation. This is 1, 2, 3 plus positive 6 electrons. It is a cation, but it is 1, 2, 3, 6 pi electrons. So satisfying the aromatic condition. 3. This is, and this is called as the, it is non-aromatic. Pyrrole, protonated pyrrole. This is the positive charge, only 4 pi electrons. Now it is, and it's not sp2. Therefore, it is a non-aromatic species. This is non-aromatic. So only 2 are that is 1 and 3 are aromatic species. So now, which of the following compounds are not planar? See, this is the 10-aniline system. This is the 10-aniline system. That is here trans and diannular. Trans-annular repulsions. 1,6 trans-annular repulsions. Because of this, the planarity is lost. So that is it's a non-planar molecule. This is non-planar. This is cyclooctatetrene 8-aniline. Cyclooctatetrene with complete conjugation, but 8 pi electrons. So this is, it has the top structure, non-planar. So it is non-aromatic. This is non-aromatic. This is non-aromatic. So this is aromatic because it is planar, complete conjugation. This is aromatic. Planar, planar, non-planar, non-planar. 1 and 2. That is, and C is correct option for this. Which of the following does not exhibit that atom? No alpha hydrogen. This is the nitroso compound. B is the option. There is no, the all other except B in the all other compound, that is there is an alpha hydrogen. Minus M group and alpha hydrogen. This is the minus M group. No alpha hydrogen. Therefore, in B it is not possible. It is the correct option. And here, which compound exists mainly in the enol form? Aromatic. This is the cyclohexane 1,3,5 trione. Its enolic form is aromatic. That is a phenolic form. That is benzene 1,3,5 triol, which is known as the pyrogalol, which is known as the fluoroglucinol. I'm sorry. This is the highest enol content. So C is correct. So it's a classroom problem. Enol content of this will be maximum in which of the solvents? The polar solvents, enol content decreases, non-polar solvent enol content increases. Therefore, here that is N-hexane is the non-polar solvent. C is correct. All are polar protic solvents, you see. Next one is the, which of the below in the list below, how many of them are strong acid than formic acid? So that is a fluoroester acid is stronger acid than formic acid. That is, the benzoic acid is weaker acid. Oxalic acid is minus I effect, stronger acid. And chloro is minus I effect is an operation. Therefore, it is a stronger acid. This is the that is the isobutanoic acid. That is the plus I effect, weaker acid. This is and minus I effect, stronger acid. This is minus I effect, stronger acid. This is OH minus I effect, stronger acid. This is sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acids are more acidic than carboxylic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 acids are stronger than the formic acid. And next one is the total number of contributing structures for hyperconjugation structures for the following carbocation. Number of alpha hydrogens plus 1. That is alpha hydrogen. That is is the number of structures. 7 plus 1, 8 structures. 8 is the correct option for this. Aromatic compounds, you know, benzene is aromatic. Second one non-aromatic. This is the aromatic, non-aromatic, anti-aromatic. This is aromatic again. This is aromatic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know the conditions. This is more stable ionic structure. This is stable in the ionic form only. This is a ring is now aromatic. This is stable tropylium cation, only stable in the ionic form. This is this one. Here, this is polarized this side. With negative charge, this ring is aromatic. With positive charge, this ring is aromatic. This exists in the ionic form more stable. This is if it becomes this one will become the aromatic, other will become the anti-aromatic, whole thing will become the anti-aromatic. Therefore, only 3 are correct. The next one is that is there are 2,2,3,3 tetramethyl 1,2,3,4 butane, all hydrogens are equivalent. Only one is possible. Only one. See, all hydrogens are all methyl hydrogens equivalent. Only one monochloro derivative is possible. That is only one is possible.